See our next topic, GST. Our next topic is, see here. Here we have completed advanced topic, advanced topic, details topic, terms count. Next, account payable with GST. GST. What is GST? GST is goods and service tax. It is a single tax for whole system levied on all services and goods by the state and central governments. Before introducing the GST, the government of India following different types of taxes, that is excise, VAT, service tax. This is after introducing GST, the single tax is applied on all goods and services and replaced multiple taxes with GST tax. What type of tax we have in GST? Central government goods and service tax, central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax, integrated goods and service tax. This is the types of GST. CGST divided in two parts. One is CGST on input, CGST on output. It is on sales, input on purchases. Same like in SGST input, SGST output. On purchases and sales. These two are on intra-state sales. CGST, SGST levied on intra-sale state purchases and sales. IGST divided in two parts, input, output. It is on purchases, it is on sales. When IGST is levied interstate purchases and sales. This is concept of GST. Okay. Next, see how to pass entries. Next, here GST steps. First, define the condition type. Define condition type. What is condition type? Let's see. Here T code OBQ1. T code is OBQ1. T code OBQ1. This is the screen of condition type. First, define the condition type. Path SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, tax on sales or purchases, first basic conditions, anytime first basic conditions, check calculation procedures, check calculation procedures, click on here, define condition type, okay, here click on position, search MWVS, MWVS in input tax, select this and copy as, and change here name. You must create 6 input taxes, 3 input taxes, 3 output taxes, CGST input tax, CGST output tax, SGST input tax, SGST output tax, IGST input tax, IGST output tax. We must define 6 conditions types, okay. Now CO, condition type now CO, CGST output tax, now CO, CGST output tax, click on save, click on enter, save, okay. Again select NaCO, copy as, sorry, come back, click on NaCO, it is input tax, I created output tax, okay, delete this, click on MWVS, click on MWVS, copy as, this is input tax, NACA, NACI, CI, CGST input tax, enter CGST input tax and click on enter and save, okay. Next click on NACI, copy as, create SGST input tax, click on enter and save. Next copy NASI, copy as, next create integrated input IGST input tax, save, click on save, okay. We have created CGST input tax, SGST input tax and IGST input tax. We define conditions. Next create outputs, click on position, enter MWAS output as. Select this, copy as. Now NaCO condition type. You can enter your own condition type. CGST output tags. Enter CGST output tags and click on enter and save it. Data was saved. NaCO. Click on and select NaCO. Copy as. Now SO. SGST output tags. Click on enter and save. Again NaSO. Copy as. IO. IGST. Click on enter and save. We have created all 6 conditions. Now what we created? Conditions. What is the conditions? NA, CI, SI, II, CO, SO, IO. NA, 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 NA. Created this. This is the conditions. Next, after creating this, next create GL accounts. Create GL accounts. Input GL accounts and output 3 GLs, 3 input, 3 output. Input is what is input? Input is asset under asset group. Output is your liability. Okay. Next, create GL accounts. How to create GL account? Ration FS 00. Click on assets. 3 inputs. Next GL number is available 2009. 2009. Click on enter. What is asset? This balance sheet. What is this? CGST input tax. Okay. Next, click on control tab. Click on INR. Only balances in local currency. Line item display 001 short key. Click on here. Field status G001. Post automatically. Click on post automatically and save it. Okay. Same like create another two. For quick entry, copy from CGST input tax. Copy. Next GL account 10. enter. Change name SGST, here also SGST. Okay, click on save. Remaining fields filled automatically. Okay, same like copy as 11. Change the name IGST, IGST. Save. Okay, next same like we have created CGST input, SGST input, IGST input. Same like you have to create output tax also, that is liability. Next GL number is available 306, 3006. Create 006. Click on enter. It is liability. Balance sheet. Output tax. Output tax. Control data. Balance is in local currency. Line item display. Short key 001. Create bank interest G001. Post automatically and click on save. Output tax. Copy. Create another two. Copy from CGST output tax. Next GL number 07. Enter. The GST. Just save it. Again copy. Next GL number 8. Enter. IGST. Just save it. CGST output tax, CGST input tax. Now we have created input tax and output tax. What is this? See this GL numbers. What is the GL number for input output tax? Let's check it. Output 306 to 308. Output 3006 to 3007, 3008. This one CGST 2009 to 2011. Fine. 2010, 2011. These are the GL numbers. Okay. Next, we have created condition type and GL numbers. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Next step is create or copy transaction key. Create or copy transaction key. T code is OB CN. OB CN. T code OB CN. Just go /n OB CN. Click on position. enter VST, input tax, select this VST and click on copy as, change the name, what is this, N C I, NCI. Here input, so CGST input tax, type CGST input tax, press enter and save it. Same like we created another two. Click on NCI, copy as, NSI, S and click on enter and save. Data was saved. Click NSI, click on copy as, NII, IGST and click on enter. Already exist. Oh, so what you do? Okay, IG. Okay, integrated tax IGI, IGI. This key also already exists. So NI, okay, NGI, NJ is available. Okay, click on enter and save. Right here, NGI, NSI, NCI. What is the transaction keys? Next, click on position. We have created input tax transaction keys. Input tax transaction keys. Now create output tax transaction keys. Enter MWS, output tax, copy as, select that and click on copy as. Here NCO, NCO output tax, CGST output tax. Click on enter and save. Data was saved. Copy, select that, now create NSO. Click on S and enter and save. Data was saved. NSO, select NSO, copy as, NIO, here I, click on enter and save. Okay, data was saved. What this? See this? NCO, NSO, NIO. This is transaction key. First we define a condition, next create GL number and transaction keys. Then Assign GL number. Next step is assign GL number. See this. Assign GL number. How to assign T code? OB 40. OB 40 slash n OB 40. Click on enter. See this. Chart of account Nova. Chart of accounts Nava. Enter. Next, just save it. Click on save. Okay. Next, account. First, click on posting keys. Give posting keys. Debit is 40. Credit is 50. Debit is 40. Credit is 50. Just save it. Save. Click on accounts. One thing, come back. Transaction key is wrong, I think. Choose your transaction key. What is our transaction key for first transaction key? Search transaction key. Transaction key NCI. 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 This is our transaction key. CGST input tax. Double click on that. See this transaction key NCI. Now click on. Now save. First posting keys 40, 50 and save it. Then click on accounts. Here assign what is the GL number of CGST input tax. GL number of input tax 2009. 2009 and save. Changes have been made and come back. Repeat the same steps for remaining 5 inputs and output tax transaction keys and assign the respect to GL accounts. Okay, we have completed first one and NCO also our transaction code. Click on NCO, our transaction codes. NCO is output tax. Output tax. Click on posting keys. Okay, save first. posting is 40. Debit is 40, credit is 50. Click on save. Click on accounts. Number 3006. Output tax 3006. Click on save. Okay, enter and again come back. NGI, who's give NGI also our transaction key. NGI integrated GL number 211. Double click on IGST input tax. Click on posting keys. First save it. Posting keys 40, 50. Click on save and click on accounts. What is the number? NGA 2011. 2011. Save it. Next, come back. Next, you have completed CGST input tax, CGST output tax, IGST input tax, NIO, NIO also output tax, integrated output tax 3008. This is NIO. Save it. You, you can search from here. NIO 3008. 3008. Okay, save. You must enter posting keys. That's why I'm first enter posting keys 50, 40, 50. Save account 3008. Then save it. Next, come back to define IGST output tax. Till now we have defined CGST input, CGST output, IGST input, IGST output. Next, SGST input, NGST output. What is our key code? Transaction keys. Our transaction keys is SGST input, SGST output, NSI, NSO. NSI, NSO. NSI input tax. Click on save. Click on posting keys. 40, debit 40, credit 50. Click on save. Okay, come back. Oh, sorry. Do not define the account number. Just define account number. What is the SGST input tax? Account number. SGST input tax. Account number 2010. Save. Then now come back. SGST output tax, NSO, posting keys 40, 50. Then click on accounts. What is the number? NSO 3007. 3007. Click on save. Okay. NSO. Okay. Click on save. Come back. We assigned. Next step. Next step. Create tax procedures. Create tax procedures. Okay. Here we are linked to GL number. Okay. Next, this is the linking condition NCA. Okay, now create tax procedures. Create tax procedures. T code OBQ3. I forgot to tell you. T code OBQ3. Slash n OBQ3. This is the screen of tax procedures. See the path. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, tax on sales or purchases. I'm back basic settings. Check calculation procedures. Check calculation procedures. Click here. Define procedures. See the screen. You can come from through path or directly. If you know the T code, directly enter the T code. Click on new entries. Procedures. Give number. For quick understanding, for whom Raju. Okay, maximum 6. NA Raju. Raju Industries. Raju Solutions tax procedures. Tax procedures. Okay. Save it. Now click on select this and click on control data. Control data. Click on new entries. See here. Here we linked all. First step numbers. Base number is 100. What is this? Counter. Just 0. We can ignore this. Condition type. Here enter conditions. What is our conditions? This is the conditions. Okay. Give this condition here. First base amount. So only BASP. This is base amount. Next 101. Here see this. What type of conditions? Conditions. This is the all conditions. So enter the conditions. N A C I. First fill this speedily. 103, 104, 105. NA SI NA II NA CO NA SO. Okay. Condition type. See this. Here account key. Account key. What is account keys? This is account keys. Enter account keys. NCI NSI. I think this one is changed. NGI NCO NSO. Okay. Down 106 NAIO NIO. Let's check it. NIO. Okay. See this. NCCI. Here linking to condition type to account key. First we linked GL number to transaction key. Number to transaction key. Now we linked condition to condition to GL number. Automatically 3 are linked. Okay. This is condition type procedure. Tax procedures linking. Okay, next save. Data was saved. Next step, assign tax procedure to country. Assign tax procedure to country. T code OBQ3. Put OBQ3. Let's check it. Come back. Assign tax procedure to country. Kiss IMG. Click on here. Sorry, key code is wrong, I think. Here click country, IN, India. Remove this. Assign or tax procedures. Raju. Sorry. Change the name. Our company is Nava Solutions. I instantly enter Raju Solution. Okay. First come back. No. Check. You can't change this. Okay. This is Nava Solutions. Nava Solutions. You can save. Save it. Okay, use this code. Naraj. Okay. Click on SN company code to company. India. NARAJU. Click on save. Okay, data was saved. Next, after that, next step is creation of tax code. Next step, creation of tax code. T code FTSP. T code FTSP. See this creation of tax code FT SP. FT SP. FT SP. T code FT SP. Country code IN. Click on enter. Country key IN. FT SP. Specify existing value. Country IN. India. Tax code NO. Directly give NO. NO. We can enter different alphabet also. Give NO. Output tax 6%. CGST plus 6% SGST output tax. Tax type A is output tax. Click on enter. See this account key and condition type percentage. This is output tax. So give 6% and 6%. Click on enter and save. Calculation procedures not maintained correctly level 0000. This is the error. So rectify this error. T code OB OBYZ. T code OB /n OBYZ. Click on procedure. Select your procedure code. NARAJU. Select this and control. Here we not given 100. Okay. From step give 100. We have forgotten 100 here. That's why error will came. Actually, this is consultancy work. Whenever you are entering this, okay, click on save. On save, then come exist. Again FD SP. Country code IN. NO enter. 6% CGST, 6% SGST output tax. This one, this is output tax. Tax type is output tax. Click on enter. Account key and condition type. This is output tax. Specify the rate here 6%, and click on enter and save. T code NO was created. Same like that, create other tax rates also. Other input tax we created for output. Now create for input. NI. Can enter. 6% CGST, 6% SGST input tax. This is input tax. Click on enter. Give 6%, 6%. Click on save. Saved. Okay. Next, create sale account. Next step is sales account. Create one general account, general ledger account, sales account. T code is FS double zero. Revenue. Next number is available 2. So create 2. What is this? Revenue. P and L. Sales account. Sales account. Control data. Click on only balances in local currency. Here one thing you observe, tax category. Tax category. See this. Only output tax is allowed. Sales is a output tax. We levied output tax on sales. Okay. Posting without tax allowed. Posting without tax allowed. Next, line item display. Short key 001. Set 001. Click on save. Sales account is created. Post invoice. Post invoice. Till now we not created. Okay. Create one. Already we created. Any purchases? Created any purchases? Rent. Sorry, we have not completed customer account. Account receivables we not completed. So this entry passed on account payables. Okay. Rent. Click on rent. Change. Control data. Tax category. Allowed input tax. Click on input tax. Save it. Click on continue. Now passed one entry. FB 50. FB 60. Slash n FB 60. Last and final. What we have done till now. Let's see. See this. Account payables. We created account payables with terms, with TDS, with GST, and advance and other. Two is related to payments. Now pass the entry with all. Okay, let's see what will happen. Entry FB 60, vendor Raju Solutions 2104, invoice date 22/02/2022, posting date, amount 3 lakhs, rent paid, calculate tax. See this here, payment term is due immediately, it defaultly taken due immediately, baseline is posting date. Posting date, GL number, rent 1003, amount 3 lakhs, tax code 6% CGST, 6% HGST. Okay, test, rent paid, click on payment terms, double click on payment terms. See here, payment terms. We created NADA. Click on enter. See this, 10 days 3%. If you paid in 10 days 3%. If you paid in 20 days 2%. If you paid in 30 days nil. Okay, next see the tax. How much tax? 32,142. Okay, already we given withholding tax configuration. See this, withholding tax code and withholding tax type defaultly taken. Let's simulate. We can enter. See this, rent account R2, rent account, CGST input tax, SGST input tax, 2 Raju Solutions, 2 TDS and rent. TDS and rent is liability. Due date. See this, change layout. Click on enter. Net due date. Okay, click on this side and save. See this, net due date 25/3/25/3/25/3 within 30 days. 30 days from where? 22nd, posting date 23 to 2022. From here to here 30 days due date. Then pass, post the entry. Document 47 was posted. Okay, thank you. Next class, automatic payment program.